Hi everyone, my name is Ademi. I am a vlogger from Kyrgyzstan. So in today's vlog, we're going to Almaty. Yeah! I'm actually not going there alone. I'm going with my brother, which is exhausting. I'm kidding. So we're heading out to Almaty at 3 a.m. at night. So anyways, it's already 7 p.m. right now, so I'll go shower real quick and then I will show you what I'm gonna do. Let's go. I'm doing my makeup right now in the bedroom. That's fine. We have time, right? So why not? It's like doing your makeup at home. Oh, let me show you my outfit for the trip. It's kind of like this. Yeah. So it's kind of giving this vibe. Yeah.
So basically I think this trip to the top of the mountain was like okay because I mean for now it was kind of a terrible challenge for me.